welcome Aries. So the Emperor is your sign card. He's always in control. He's very assertive, logical. You might embody leadership, initiative, and a pioneering spirit. You're the trailblazer who isn't afraid to start something new and take command of any situation. Now, whether that's launching a new project at work or taking lead in planning your family's future. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull 3 oracle cards. This first one is we are looking for the overall energy for Aries for the month of November. Now, I have pre-shuffled the cards. So this is what popped out. Oh, Aries, it looks like you definitely need to keep your eyes open for the month of November. We've got bed, cheating, intimate times, restful slumber, deep personal connection. That all is a bit of a jumble right there. So definitely out of these first few, I would choose what is resonating with you the most. Is it time for you to rest? Are you seeking a deep personal connection? Maybe this month is the month that you're going to find that deep personal connection. Got polyamorous, a big family, co-sleeping, retreating from the world, home security, dreaming, and sleep. A lot of this sounds like what you're going to be going through the month of November is in a dreamlike state, no matter which one of these words resonates with you the most. November is definitely going to be something that you're going to be going through. It doesn't sound like with a lot of clarity. It sounds more like through a dreamlike state. But you're going to be restful about this. And I definitely feel that even those of you that resonated with that word cheating, whether it's you doing the cheating or being cheated on, that you've come to terms with how that's going to work through. Let's see what does that literally take you into your love and relationship. Ooh, that didn't want to shuffle right. Spirit, what do we have for those in April for love and relationship? We've got 2 cards that pulled out. First one is clock. Need time, takes time, in time, cycles, time to heal, and progress. That definitely moves forward with those of you who may have resonated with the cheating and so forth in here, that some things do need to take time to move forward. And this may be why you're in a restful state right now. You're taking that time to heal. And then we also have camera. Reminiscing, keepsake, perception, learn from the past and make memories. Learn from your past. If any of these resonated with you in a negative way, learn from that and move forward. Make new memories, move forward. Spirit, what do we have for Aries in our career and finance for the month? This is my DIY deck that I did make myself. It hasn't let me down yet, though. I love it. So we've got some bold career moves, travel jobs, and passionate work. That definitely falls in line with you, Aries, and you being a leader at work. Bold career moves. I do see that happening in here. Big family. That actually could be those bold career moves. And passionate work, those intimate times that this has. Intimate times can also go with that passionate work that you're passionate about. All right, so Aries, what I want you to do is we're going to have a mantra just for Aries for the month of November, is that just say, I lead with confidence and trust my inner fire. This is definitely going to be a powerful month for you to step into your authority and make things happen. Now, whether you're advocating for that promotion or setting boundaries in your relationship or carving out time for both the career and family, Trust that pioneering energy that makes you who you are. And remember, if you want a personalized reading that speaks directly to your specific situation and questions, whether that's about career decisions or relationship dynamics or finding a balance, I do offer detailed personal readings through my PayHip shop. All right, Aries, sending you so much fiery, abundant energy this November. The full extended reading for all 12 signs is on YouTube. See you there.